Hi, I'm Dr. Robert Leonard. One thing that a lot of people don't realize is that hair loss is a progressive condition. And if it's untreated, it will get worse and worse and worse. Your hair will get thinner and thinner and potentially bald. By using the Capillus cap and really using it 6 minutes a day, you have begun to stabilize that progressive process. You've begun to stop your hair from falling out in the future. And I'd like to tell you a few things that are important about using the cap properly. One, you have to charge it. I can't tell you how many people have called and they didn't charge the device initially. So it's important to charge it, put the cap on your head, turn it on, and the treatment is just 6 minutes long, which is a fantastic thing to treat your hair loss. Another important thing about using a Capillus cap is actually using it. So the device is worn only 6 minutes a day, but if you leave it at your bedside stand and not put it on your head and turn it on and wear it, you're not going to get any benefit. So compliance is important, particularly in the first 6 months of use. The other thing that's important about this is you have to be patient. All good things in life take time. Enjoying a fine wine takes time to enjoy it. Hair loss has a physiologic timetable. It's important to know that it takes about 3 months for you to begin to recognize any benefit from the Capillus cap. In the first 3 months, you may notice less hair fallout, but not always. But from 3 to 6 months, you should see less hair in the drain, less in your brush, less on your clothes, and that's very exciting. It's nice to begin to see some change. And from month 6 to month 12, you may see growth. You may see a fuller appearance. Other people may comment on your hair saying, geez, your hair looks different. It looks thicker. And then after month 12, we start to see more consequential. After month 12, we begin to see more fullness and more growth. So again, it's very important to be patient. It takes several months to see a result from using your Capillus cap, but it will come. So it's exciting times for you, but you have to wait for that to realize it. One other thing I recommend that people do when they buy a cap is to take pictures before you begin to use it, and then take pictures on 3-month intervals thereafter. We forget very often what our hair loss was like, and changes are subtle. This is not a full thick head of hair growing overnight. The main benefit of the Capillus cap is to stop further progression of your hair loss and also potentially regrow hair. So you can follow photographically every 3 months what your scalp looks like, and you'll be surprised very often at 1 year how much more hair you have than before you begin using the Capillus cap.